timu ino wa Gabon umuthi rucine ni undu wa mbitikire magakona yo muthenya wa rucio.
Cio niyo ya mbere ya kimabũrũri ya gwetha tigiti wa World Cup kana AFCON gwa kahinda ka makiria ma miaka iri na kuria thaki 24 niyo mambikire thabarĩ ino.
It's a long road after we had 500 days of ban. Now after more than 2 years now we have official matches. So still we are on the way to develop the team, and I hope we can continue like this. Only this time we are really unlucky because a lot of players are missing.
Thutha wa kumbuka kiroko kia umuthi kuma kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta, athakia ni mekinyirie bũrũri-inĩ wa Gabon mĩarahuko ya umuthi gwithagathaga ni undu wa ngucanio ya rucio.
Well, from outside have to understand we have a list around more than 50 players which we follow all the time up, and always new players coming to them, especially young players. So Dennis we followed a long time. So and like I said, sometimes you need to find the right day for it.
Hau kabere Minister wa mathako Babu na Mwamba no ugeire uhoro imwana ici cia Harambee Stars akimerera ciringi milioni 2.5 hari o ngucanio iria megukorwo makihota thabarĩ-inĩ ino.
Nataka nifike hapa niwahakikishie vijana ya kwamba serikali pamoja na Wakenya wote tunawashabikia ile noma sana. Tumetayarisha hawa vijana vizuri, tumetayarisha mechi za kirafiki. Tumekuwa kule Mauritius, tumekuwa Iran, tumekuwa Qatar, tumecheza na Russia, tumecheza na South Sudan. Ninaamini ya kwamba tumefanya matayarisho bora.
Ngucanio ya rucio ikambia thaa 1 cia hwaĩ-inĩ. Thutha ũcio Stars mambike thabarĩ nginya bũrũri wa Ivory Coast mbere ya ngucanio ya kerĩ na bũrũri wa Seychelles Jumatatu turorete. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.
Igoti rinene ria Eldoret niriugite nirikurekereria mwĩkũĩrwo munene wa gĩkuũ kia Agnes Tirop Ibrahim Rotich na bodi. Rotich arekereirio na bodi ya ciringi 400 kana mbeca baribari ciringi 500. Rĩrĩ rĩrarĩ ihoya rĩa kerĩ rĩa Rotich kũhĩtũkĩra wakiri wake Gige Ngoge, na jaji Robert Wananda nĩetĩkĩrire ihoya rĩrĩ. Agnes Tirop ũrĩa nĩ mũteng'eri wa nahau gabere oragirwo tarĩki 13 mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2021 mwena wa Iten County ya Elgeyo Marakwet.
The submissions by defense counsel that the accused has received salvation and is now a counselor to others is made from the bar and not supported by any evidence. I also note that the family of the victim, stroke deceased, still strongly insists that the accused continue being confined in custody until conclusion of the trial. More importantly, the report does not recommend release of the accused on bail. Needless to state, the views of the family of the deceased, as bitter or aggrieved as the family may still understandably be for the loss of their loved one, will not hide the hands of this court in making an independent decision devoid of emotions, since the accused is still presumed innocent until.
Tugithie nja wa itoka cia Kenya ni ati Ngeretha kana murugamiriri munene wa kirabu kia Manchester United Richard Arnold ni atanyitwo gutiga wira thutha wa urugamiriri wa kirabu giki gucenjia. Richard Arnold akoretwo kirabu-ini giki kwa ihinda ria miaka 16 na kumagara gwake gukite riri Sir James atanyitwo kana Sir Jim atanyitwo kurikia kugura gicunjĩ kia 25 harĩ igana gia kirabu giki Manchester United mambĩrĩirie kimera kia mwaka ũyũ na njĩra njũru, kuona matete ngucanio 9 harĩ 18 iria mathakĩte. Jim augĩte arenda gũcokia riri wa kirabu giki na wa miaka ya nahau gabere. Na riboti yo kuma kuria Manchester United niyo igutuhingira mutamburuko wa mohoro hwaini wa umuthi, na tugakiuga ni ngatho muno mwiroreri wa Kameme TV.